Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. This is what HVAC stands for. HVAC is the system that controls temperature, airflow, and air quality inside a building or vehicle. It keeps us warm in winter. It keeps us cool in summer. And it makes the air cleaner and healthier to breathe. But HVAC is more than just cooling. Let's understand it step by step. Heating is the first part of HVAC. In cold weather, heating systems generate warmth. This can be done using furnaces, boilers, or heat pumps. The goal is simple: to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature when it is cold outside. Now, let's talk about ventilation. Ventilation means moving fresh air into a space and removing stale air. Without ventilation, air becomes polluted. Dust, smoke, bacteria, and humidity can build up. Good ventilation improves air quality. It helps people breathe better and stay healthy. Now comes air conditioning. Air conditioning removes heat from indoor air. It cools the space during hot weather. It works by using a refrigerant that absorbs heat and releases it outside. The cooling process happens through four main components: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator. These components work together in a continuous cycle. The compressor increases pressure. The condenser releases heat. The expansion valve reduces pressure. The evaporator absorbs heat. This cycle repeats again and again. Modern HVAC systems are energy efficient. They use smart thermostats and advanced technology. HVAC systems are used everywhere: homes, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, factories, cars. Without HVAC, modern life would be very uncomfortable. HVAC is not just about comfort. It protects equipment. It controls humidity. It improves productivity. And in hospitals, it can even save lives. In simple words, HVAC creates a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. Now you understand what HVAC really is. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more professional HVAC learning content.